Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to do drawer fronts, how to install them. I just finished this series here. There's quite a few of them, as you can see. I'm going to do these last four here. I cut all of these out of a 4x8 sheet of Radiata pine, I believe it's called, Radiata. But I was able to get all of my drawer faces out of that one 4x8 sheet. Now these I had cut in strips because they were all the same size. These are different sizes, so I'm going to cut these one by one. So I'm going to start installing the first one now. What I like to do is line up the drawer face with the top of the drawer. That way you don't have any interference from the other drawer coming across the top. You don't want it to stick above that drawer itself. So I just simply clamp it in place. Sort of level on it. That looks pretty good right there. Flush with the ends. And just simply pull the drawer out. And attach it with 4 screws from the back. Using 1-inch screws here. The drawers are 1/2-inch plywood with 3/4 face. There's number 1. Now I'm just going to take some shims. Just a couple pieces of paint stick I had cut into smaller pieces, just as my shim. They're about 1/8 of an inch. And then I'm going to take my measurement. Take this here. Pull this guy out. Re-enter this one. Then I'll take my measurement from that shim to the top of the drawer, which is 7 5/16. I'll cut it on the table saw. Like that. Clamps to repeat the process. Secure it from the back. Again, measure from the shim to the top of the drawer. 6 5/8. I'm going to have a piece of 2-inch trim across the top side, so I got to account for that. So I got an overall of 2 1/4 to the top of the drawer, 1/8 of an inch gap to the top is going to be 6 5/16 plus an 1/8. Plus an 1/8. So we're going to go 6 7/16. And that should leave me an 1/8 of an inch gap. 6 7/16. It is touching a little bit here, but I'll go back and just give that a light sand. Double check our measurement at the top, make sure we have our 2 inches for our trim. 2 and about 3/16, which is fine. Here, just double check that. Make sure this goes in. And just like that, there's the drawer faces right there. Now I'll just come back. I'll mark my centers, draw a straight line down so they're all nice and in a row. Put my handles on, and that'll be that. All I gotta do is put some shellac on, give them a good coat of finish, and then I'm ready to move on. Stay tuned to see how it comes. I'm going to put in the trim pieces. I'm going to face this off with some hard maple, along these edges here is all going to be hard maple. I'm going to put some boots under here as supports for this top, since it sticks out about 3.5 inches from the cabinet. And then I'll trim it all out and give it a clear coat. Come back. Thanks for watching.